basically I want to wear this, but I tried ironing it, didn't work, so I think I'll take this for ironing right now. So this is the outfit for the day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to style with another black t-shirt, or I might use a white t-shirt. Let me know in the comment section below which style was a better one. Now today is the first day that I have worn proper casual clothes with my watch and stuff right from the lockdown. You must have seen me in the previous vlogs. I wear that ridiculous coat with the wind cheater and etc, gloves. I look like a firefighter in that, but I think you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just scared it shouldn't rain today because my birthday has a very bad history with rains, 26th July. So I'm just hoping it doesn't rain. I can feel the sun, I'm feeling happy. What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up? Thanks. You cannot give a can, but you can ready. I can hug. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You come. I have sanitizer. I thought पहले मैंने देखा इसको देखा ये कौन है, फिर मैंने हाँ वरनेसा
किधर जाए बहुत गर्म है
ब्रो. व्हाट द हेल, मिरेकल गुप्तास इज ओपन.
तेरा बर्थडे है ना, तेरे लिए खुला है. चल समोसा खाते.
हट वे. हाँ सेफ्टी. यू आर वेयरिंग हैंडकरचीफ अगर भाई अ मास्क.
या नाइस शर्ट.
थैंक्स. इट वाज.
कब खरीदा
गिफ्ट.
कब नहीं?
Yesterday on your birthday I got one gift. Where's the gift, Alan? No, for him, man, not for me.
He gave me time. That's the gift.
Oh.
No. I catch my bag.
I bought the Pringles for you, Ryan.
So who brought the Pringles? First we have to decide.
I bought the Pringles.
Then why is Joshua lying? You mean to say?
Yes,
Which flavor it is?
Don't say chocolate or strawberry.
Which flavor it is? Which flavor it is?
See, I just bought it with my heart. Okay? I did not
with
see
your
the
heart.
flavor.
पैसा कितना गया? How much for one Pringle?
90.
No, wrong.
70.
Wrong.
60.
Wrong.
I pay. What is your fault?
तू घाट के ऊपर से नहीं खरीद रहे. Pringles नहीं खरीदे. Pringles है. 60-50.
See, whatever it is,
Now,
I bought for you.
guys, you can decide who's the original owner of the not owner, but ठीक है चल. Okay, this is Pringles for you.
It's 99.
Pizza flavor. And this is one Kinder Joy.
Oh, in the memory of Ashley knows. Who told you to bring Kinder Joy? I don't like Kinder Joy. मेरा और Kinder Joy का बहुत बड़ा दुश्मनी है.
You didn't get anything.
From college that too.
Why you brought Kinder Joy, Vanessa?
Actually, I didn't bring this. He brought it.
Now you're telling I brought.
I swear.
Huh?
So he bought it with the Pringles, you meant to say?
No, I brought the Pringles. He brought this. He brought this for me, but I'm giving you.
See?
What?
See?
What is this? You're giving me used, man?
Used one दे रही है. Hey, why opening it? Don't eat it so much. What is this, Vanessa?
I swear I thought this is mine.
What is this? He's giving you old
Now
stuff.
it's open. Now who is? अरे where will I keep it? मेरे को जाते वक्त दे देना. Thank you.
बस यार.
अरे. So she called me and she keeps telling me on messages, I am in Chembur, I am on, I went here, there. And she thinks I don't know why. हम लोग ने किया ही नहीं है ये. We're professionals. So whenever she talks about this, I'm like, yeah, What do you think? I fell for that. No, don't. What's up? Thanks. That guy looks like glad.
He looks suspicious.
Ah! कौन है? People on the video won't get the joke, bro. ये सब edit करना पड़ता है मेरे को. What's up? Nice mask. Look like Spider-Man now. Yeah, bro, you deserve a hug.
Doesn't have an umbrella.
Hug, I said, not kissy. Oh, oh, you bought a gift cookie box for me.
Don't trust that. It might be all stitching material.
Oh shit. I needed but ये अभी मैं सही करेगा ग्लव्स से.
Pizza party.
No, no. Yeah, I bought a new phone. This is OnePlus 39. 69, sorry.
ये भी आएगा
Okay, Thailand
पेट्रोल के बिना आ रहा है.
सच्ची में पेट्रोल नहीं है क्या? ऐसे क्यों आ रहे हो?
अरे पिचकाट मारना.
अरे मैं सोचा वो ऐसे आ रहा है. ये सिंगल नो? डायलन ये सिंगल ना? हाँ कम या? Thailand?
ये साइड में रखा है.
डायलन मैत्री डायलन. अच्छा, then wasted opportunity.
Yeah,
Shit.
you matter. On right foot.
9th or 8th maths class.
After that, you forgot, no, who she was, but
What's coming? We have pizza for you.
I don't know what is.
this is not pizza, na, bro. All 21 birthday bombs are coming for you. Remember that.
She made for you.
Where is Celeste? Is not written here. I'm going to call her. If she says, no, I never sent anything.
Trust. I wish you had walk on water.
See, I can trust on you. I can't trust her.
21 now. It's okay. You can trust your friend.
अच्छा. That's more reason not to trust her. मेरे पानी में और कुछ रहेगा suddenly. इतना ट्रिपी क्यों लग रहा है? Oh my God. Feeling happy. क्या बोल रहा था तू? R15 ले लो.
करने को भी नहीं होता है.
क्या नहीं करना था?
Play along.
अच्छा ऐसा.
हाँ, what were you saying?
Honest people, you know.
No, say no. Let auntie see, no, what bike you want. See, first we all know you wanted Royal Enfield. Let auntie know what you want. So now you're not getting Royal Enfield.
Ride bikes.
Heavy.
Oh hello. Chain. Yeah, I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike.
You can ride हो गया भाई.
I can ride everything.
Oh.
उसको मैं उठा सकती हूँ ऐसे.
I will start my video like that. खत्म, मिल गया. Full on 500 views.
Thumbnail. She can ride everything.
Oh, nice. Dylan, you missed it. You would have. Your dreams come true.
Hey. That is 3 times your weight.
मत. Oh my. Oh rider girl. तेरा एंट्री ऐसे कर सकता हूँ मैं कट करके बट.
अंदर वाला गार्डन नहीं है, बाहर वाला.
Really doing something.
Yeah, it's called vlogging. Like and subscribe the Savage Vibe. Dylan, I wanted to ask you. See है ना? बनेगा ना? So what's your views on in real estate now for us if we have to buy it? I think real estate is not a good selection for us in 2020. What do you think?
The real estate prices. See, my dad's a real estate agent. There people are still investing. No need to buy it directly. You can invest in real estate. Don't think so to hurry and buy.
कोई और देखो तेरे को.
No. See, now you said कि real estate is still possible, right? Now, when let's say our parents did the investment, they bought the house for 30 lakhs. Now they'll sell it. Now, so many years later, they might get 1 crore, 20 lakhs, so on. Okay? Now, when we'll go to buy it, it will be 1 crore. तो अपन कैसा खरीदेगा?
There's something called value of money which keeps increasing with over the period of
Exactly.
time. So now if you buy for 1 crore, you can sell it for 5 crore the next year.
But who will buy a house for 1 crore? From the population, imagine the sect which buys house now will become less and less.
That's
No.
why invest in it. You can buy in term. You can invest in real estate.
वो
You will get a
वापस
return.
लोन हो जाएगा ना.
You will get a return. It depends on the return also, no? So getting higher return on the place. Depends upon the location also you're buying. Yeah. So buying in the South Mumbai side, the prices are high, but the return on it also is good enough.
You should have no now out of all our youth.
That's a risk you take.
how many people will have that much money? It's not about risk. To get in till 1 crore is only the task. No, मैं खरीदता हूँ मेरे को दे.
But that's the earning capacity of individual person.
So what do you think is an alternative option for investing now?
After investing in real estate,
Yeah.
earn money, invest in shares. That is cheaper than real estate. But the return, some returns are good, some are bad.
I like how his mask came down there.
Lad, rest a sexy ass on the floor.
I don't want. हाँ, thumbnail like that. And what she likes to ride.
I'm a rider.
Provide. उसके आगे लिरिक्स मालूम है क्या? हाँ.
Bring a fire.
खत्म. 500 views ऐसे आएगा अभी.
So Maitri, how does it feel being 21? Oxygen smells different, right?
How was your first kiss?
तू क्या ऐसे क्या बोल रहा है वो? जले पे नमक छिड़क रहा है.
See, now she wants to be secretive about that.
Who was your first kiss? No one.
Hand.
जोश पास.
Ashley ने बहुत practice किया है.
I feel when you had your first kiss, which standard? It was the first, huh?
It is coming on YouTube, remember?
Yeah, was the first guy.
That's why I'm not saying anything.
He's like, it's okay. 6th.
तू early बोला तो 6th पे.
तू झूठ बोल रहा है. 8th.
तेरी माँ का इधर दे.
How do you have so much money?
Extortion.
Beep.
हाँ यार, आज एडिट करने मिलेगा ही नहीं मेरे को. Impossible.
Problem.
How do you have so much money?
I become rich now.
What did you do?
Exactly.
You going into something.
Did you do what I'm thinking?
He sold himself. Black 11.
Guys, don't say this shit. He doesn't mean it. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Picking cotton is very profitable. Acha, wait. Act surprise. Wait. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god, who made pizza?
Happy birthday.
Full TikTok star now, huh?
Happy birthday, dear Savage Vibe.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Happy birthday to
Guys. I'm really hungry.
Why are we clapping?
I don't know. Very nice. Mark, you should have it.
Good job.
Oh, no, very
Good
nice.
job.
Yeah.
I'll eat a dish.
Celeste, we love you, but next time butter paper. अरे थैंक यू. तेरा गिफ्ट है क्या? आशीष का गिफ्ट. इंटरेस्टिंग. We should go Pune and open this. Is Ashish the biggest contributor here too? Because Ashish is always the biggest contributor. Oh, crazy. ये पर्सनल नोट है कि रुक में No. Smart Ashish. Definitely will do more video calls right now. Asta, what is this, Asta? Shit, it's so.
Why can't people do this?
It's very chocolatey. It's very nice. But मेरा मुंह पूरा ये हो गया. Chocolatey. चलेगा. Amanda's enjoy. Dream come through उसका. She was like, मैं सुबह को सोचा था यार, मेरे को क्या मालूम था. She's like, Asta, my new best friend. I'm so happy you guys didn't get chocolates for me. All of them would go in Amanda's stomach.
मैंने खाया हुआ.
Reaction. If I die or not. I need to check.
You think you'll die in a second? Such an ass.
It was very nice. No.
Have men.
It will come out of this, no?
Nothing will come out. Don't worry. Why do you have trust issues all the time?
Don't make me tell the whole story. Arey, dude. You know what? We'll start with a smaller one. This looks like a flag. How smart.
Yeah, exactly. You have no sister, no night.
How smart, guys.
Look, मेरा चाबी.
There is no way to. Okay, I don't have nails. Fatina.
Okay, let the cat also come in the frame. वो गिरेगा cat.
If you need to return it. Oh, this is a mic. Thanks. First, tell me who's this from?
तू कर ले, सबका contribution है.
Amanda, remove down. You do that well, no? One second.
Yeah, guys, I want that actually as a gift.
Yeah, once I get rich, I'll buy it for you. Don't worry.
Acha, I buy you Tesla, you buy me Jaguar. Nice. Yes. Good boy. I think I need help with this, man.
Give the keys to him, na?
Oh, this is YouTube. Gold button, guys. Silver button. Diamond button. Oh. Seriously? Maitri is gonna cry now. She wanted this. Thanks, bro. Something else here.
Open everything. Glad don't help him, let him do.
Guys, thank you. The students have spent money on tripod. Seriously.
It's a stand for the light.
Oh. How dumb of me, guys. Do not unsubscribe, please.
Keep recording. My hands up.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're tired. Hanky then. Oh my.
Guys, this should show that because my mask is for washing. So I can't promote all the wrong things, no? You show sanitizer also. Washing my hands with sanitizer.
We don't have. We have. मैं बंद करूँ कि मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है.